In this video, I'm going to teach you a Blackbox AI tutorial on how you can create a website with this particular AI tool. To do that, you first need to head over to Blackbox.ai, then message Blackbox right here. Let's ask them, can you create a website? So you can actually ask them first if they can actually perform a particular action. So for this case, you can see right here that this will think about our user query. And as you can see, the answer is no. It can't directly build, host, or deploy a website. So for this case, it actually provided us with quick ways to create websites such as website builders, rehosting options, and code editors. We have in here as well the code that we can use for this particular model. You can also see right here that it will give us the codes for JavaScript, interactivity, and local options like HTML right here. So for this particular case, you can actually just use other providers aside from Blockbox. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.